Hey, Daddy! Now I want to try the race car!
That's Becky's. That thing isn't charged up.
Charge it up!
Uh-huh.
Okay, now you're taping.
Where are those girls?
What are you doing?
Taking a picture.
Can you see them?
Got the car, y'all.
The batteries are going down.
Oh.
The batteries are dead. I gotta charge it up. It takes a while.
No, this one.
Huh?
This one.
Yeah, that one's, the batteries are going in it.
Because we used it too much.
Well, I used it too much before y'all got here.
How much did you use it?
It lasts for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah, that's battery.
Ours lasts